That's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you're screaming, screaming. But I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical. You could take the blame, just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn you. This might hurt. That's just karma. Better take that. Call it payback.